Firstly, welcome to Indonesia, to Mr. Adam Puhler and the delegation, and also Mr. Ambassador. Secondly, during my second term, infrastructure development will continue. The government needs investment to fund many infrastructure development programs like toll road, airport, seaport, energy infrastructure, and digital technology. The government continues to make policy breakthrough to support and create a friendly investment climate through the investment omnibus law. So Indonesia can narrow the infrastructure gap and to become highly competitive in the global era. Thirdly, on that note, I welcome DFC's commitment to support the Indonesian government priority program, especially in infrastructure development, energy, and digital technology.